Hi everyone, I'm Adelaide. Thanks for stopping in for our quick tour of the new tables for SceneGrinder. Let's start by creating a new table so that you can see the new interface. It's pretty cool. As you can see, the tables look very much like a spreadsheet now, with column headers and rows. Clicking on either a row number or column header opens a context-sensitive menu to add rows or columns as needed. Deleting rows and columns is just as easy, in case you get something in there you didn't want. Simply right-click and delete. The JSON support in SceneGrinder has also been greatly improved. Supporting a standard text-based format or an organized JSON structure. A bonus to checking the JSON structure is that it will also reformat your JSON correctly in the text editor, if you prefer editing your JSON manually, like I do. Once the JSON is added, the table cell content will show "Click to edit" rather than showing formatted text. This lets you know at a glance that there is JSON present in that table cell. And for our most requested feature for SceneGrinder tables, CSV importing. To import a CSV file, you have to do a bit of setup. The number of columns in your table need to match the number of columns in the CSV file. Once you are ready for your CSV import, simply click the Import CSV at the top of the SceneGrinder window. This opens the Import dialog where you can simply drag a CSV file into SceneGrinder or click and select a CSV file from your computer. Finally, click the Choose Columns button and drag and drop the columns into your desired column positions if you didn't label your columns beforehand. Since these tables can be edited directly in SceneGrinder, it was just as important to add the ability to download CSV files so that you can keep your local files up to date. Simply click the Export CSV button and then click the Download button which appears beside it and download the CSV file to your computer. This downloaded file can then be imported into any spreadsheet or text editor, as I have done here with VS Code. In addition to the new CSV import and export, as well as the column and row creation and deletion, a new feature has been added for creating a column key to help organize the table for use in the SceneGrinder character template. A key in the table is required for SceneGrinder to locate and use the data stored in the table. Just so you are aware, sorting data within the SceneGrinder table is on our roadmap for the future. However, if you want your data sorted a particular way, for now, you will have to do that in your local program or text editor prior to importing the CSV. That is all for now. We'll do a deep dive into tables and table structures in the coming weeks. Until then, stay safe and happy scene grinding!